Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Google Ads conversion tracking for service businesses. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Google Ads account. Navigate to the Tools and Settings menu in the upper right corner. From the drop-down, select Conversions under the Measurement column. Click the blue plus button to create a new conversion action. Choose the conversion type that best suits your service business, such as website or phone calls. If you select website, enter the URL of the page where conversions happen, like a thank you page. Set a name for your conversion action that clearly describes what it tracks. Define the value of each conversion, choosing to assign a fixed amount or currency if applicable. Select how to count conversions, whether every or one per click. Set the conversion window, which is the time frame for tracking conversions after an ad interaction. Choose whether to include these conversions in your conversions column for reporting purposes. Once you've configured the settings, click Create and Continue. Now, you'll be prompted to set up the tracking tag. For website conversions, choose Install the tag yourself or email the tag to your webmaster. If installing yourself, copy the global site tag. Then, paste this tag into the header of your website's code. Next, copy the event snippet provided. Place the snippet on the specific page where conversions occur, such as the confirmation or thank you page. If you're tracking phone calls, follow the unique instructions for call tracking instead. After setting up the tags, return to Google Ads and click Next. Review your settings and, if everything looks correct, click Done. You can now test the installation using Google Tag Assistant or similar tools. Monitor your conversion tracking over the coming weeks to ensure it is functioning correctly. Adjust your campaigns based on the conversion data you collect to optimize performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.